This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Jim Fleischman. Check out this beautifully maintained 2,328 square feet 3-bed, 2.5 bath custom-built rambler with an open floor plan that sits on 1.24 acres located in one of the most desired areas in North Bellingham. Complete kitchen remodel in 2019 with all new appliances, quartz countertops, bamboo flooring throughout, super efficient radiant heating system. Living room overlooks the patio and fully fenced courtyard area. Plenty of room for a workbench in the large attached 2-car 720 square feet garage. All around wonderful mature landscaping with several fruit/apple trees on property as well as lots of privacy on Dead End Lane, truly a must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Jim Fleischman at 360-734-7500.